Okay guys, it is time for a new update on the Bitcoin price. As we were not able to break the $102,500 level to the upside, we saw more correction to the downside as we expected it in my last video. We now realized another $30,000 from this short position, taking a realized P&L of $63,000, unrealized P&L of $63,000 also still available. So we recouped already the entire loss we made with this sadly big minus $60,000 mistake. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the video I uploaded the day before yesterday. Besides this, going to end, when can I expect to jump into long positions once again? And I will keep it very simple in today's video to let you know exactly what to keep an eye on and exactly what to expect now, especially on the smaller but also on the bigger time frames for Bitcoin. If you enjoyed the video, as always, smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, leave a comment down below. And as always, guys, if you have an account on Levex, if you are signed up with someone else's affiliate link, it doesn't really matter. You can just create yourself an account on levex.com. And if you are going to the search bar and you're looking here for Crypto Mo and you follow me, guys, you will actually receive all of my trade updates in real time. As you guys can see, I'm always posting when I'm taking profits, when I'm entering my positions, and so on, which is extremely useful because sometimes I cannot upload a video every 5 minutes on every small decision I make. So you can just follow my trade and all of my decisions live on Levex, and like this you will never miss out on anything again. And you can even see my position live here if you follow me, so you can even see if I'm adapting my take profit stop loss or scaling up the position or scaling it down. Now, let's jump right back into the charts because, as you guys know, on the monthly time frame, and we have been talking about this for over a month now. I told you, and I told everyone pretty much, here as you can see here as well, $108,000 1 month ago. Nobody sees it. It's called on the English channel, my video. I told you that I expect a local top at a $108,000 level because we have our never broken to the upside 11-year support and resistance that Bitcoin actually never broke to the upside. So what do we need to keep an eye on now? The game plan is pretty simple. As you can already see on the monthly time frame, the next relevant support would be the $75,000 level. This would be extremely bullish level for me. I would definitely open a lot of long positions here once again. But what we need to keep an eye on first to even know if there is a chance that Bitcoin would actually correct so aggressively to such a level once again, although we are in such a strong bull run currently, is going to be something on the smaller time frames. First of all, why did I take more profits? Guys, I told you in my last video, I expect if we break to the downside and if we are not able to break above the $102,500 level, that we are dropping down to the low 90,000s till the high $80,000 levels. And that I told you that I will take additional profits here. So that's why I took some profits, because we went into the low $90,000 levels as expected. The price target is not fully reached, but in general we don't fully have any bearish price target for Bitcoin right now active. So there is a chance now for the bulls to potentially form somewhat of a reversal pattern here within the next 24 to 48 hours. And if this actually happens, we will see a gradual rise in the direction of the $100,000 level. The $100,000 level will be extremely crucial. Why? Because we not only have our more or less mentally important level of the $100,000 number, we also have our upward sloping resistance of the rising wedge, as well as our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And as you guys know, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level works amazing on Bitcoin, and this is why I'm definitely keeping an eye on this $100,000 level, because if we only wick above the $100,000 level for a short time, get rejected at the 0.618 Fibonacci's, and then correct back down to the downside and get rejected here, I will update you as soon as this happens with a video how it's looking, if the rejection is likely or if the breakthrough is likely. First of all, I will close my short if we break to the upside. I will actually look into opening more long positions then once again, because then I expect the price to actually potentially break the $108,000 to the upside finally. And on the other hand, if we see a rejection here at these price levels, I can already tell you we would be forming a lower high after getting rejected from the 11-year support. And then, in my opinion, the correction to $75,000 will come in the beginning of the next year, before we then will be able to actually pump back with the price till the end of next year, 2025, to prices of $160,000, $180,000, and finally also break our 11-year resistance to the upside. This would also not really be a bearish scenario, but it would be a scenario where we would need to expect Bitcoin to actually reach prices much lower than the current ones for at least 2 or 3 months, which will be amazing buying opportunities, amazing long opportunities, but we are not at this price now, so let's worry about the current facts first. The Fibonacci, the 100k level, the forming, first of all, a bullish reversal pattern here now over the next 24 to 48 hours. Keep an eye on that. I will also update you in my exclusive content if I spot anything. And in general, this is all I'm going to do. For sure, if we break above, I will close the remaining remaining short and will take an additional few thousand, maybe $10,000-$15,000 at that point, and that's then it. But if we are now going lower, I will just keep this trade open. The only reason I would scale it up, I will just keep it open. I would only scale up if we retest the $100,000 and the bearish chart pattern develops there and we get rejected. This would be a scenario where I scale up my short. Besides this, smash up a like, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell. It is very sad that we could have made a lot more profit. As you guys know, I had my minus $60,000 trade fail where I was just just watch the video. It's the video from, I think, the day before yesterday. It's called minus $60,000. You will see the thumbnail. Just watch it. It's a very, very important lesson to learn, that this mistake, it didn't happen for me for like 2 or 3 years. Now it happened again. Sometimes you just get too comfortable and then you do stupid mistakes like that, because normally if this trade wouldn't have been stopped out here, but my original scale up position would have been placed here, our average entry for my original short position that I had open, where we sadly lost the $60,000 here, that we now with this short anyways made back again easily already, plus $60,000 in unrealized profit. But we would have had an average entry of like $101,000, and my original trade was $750,000. Imagine a double up right here. It would have been $1.5 million. Liquidation price as planned above the $108,000 level, and now we would have corrected from this price around almost 10%. So this trade would be in a profit of $150,000 unrealized, which would put our total account balance actually not at $250,000 right now for this public trading profile here for YouTube, but it would actually put the account balance to around $350,000, right? If this mistake didn't happen, which was just so stupid. And I mean, $350,000 would have been an exact 10x within 3 months from our original starting balance of $35,000. But yeah, what to do? The mistake happened. We were able, with the original expectation of the rejection of 108K and with our new short, we were able to immediately recoup this loss. But we are definitely in a much less profit than we originally should be with my plan right now. Anyways, we will recoup this $100,000 with the upcoming trades in potentially lost profit pretty much. But now guys, we're going to see us. I hope you enjoy. K level, if we go there, 0.618. Keep an eye on the prices right now on the smaller time frames, if we are even able to form here any bullish reversal pattern that could lead us to reach the 100K again, because if we form here now a bearish continuation pattern, I mean, then we might need to expect lower prices like the $75,000 level on the monthly for the next 2 months actually to come in without a retest of the 100K. But that's why, let's wait for this. If we're breaking this to the upside successfully, I'm exiting my short. I'm immediately jumping into some scalp longs, but I will keep you up to date on that. And if the price is moving up, we anyways have our HODL portfolio as always. So prices moving up are always amazing. But for sure, we want to make use of the market fluctuation to accumulate more USDT, to buy more cryptocurrencies, right? Because we expect it to perform well in the long run over the next 5 to 10 years. That's why we have a HODL portfolio. But guys, we're going to see us in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.